Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking apart this voltage meter, and it's not working correctly. You see, you turn it on, it comes on, and it won't read anything at all, not even continuity, and the battery's falling out. But as you see, it's set for continuity, and there's no beep at all. And if you just change it to, it just gives you it'll give out random readings every now and then. So let's take it apart. Alright, so we just took the leads off, the battery out, and removed the screw. Go ahead and get this off here. So there we are, we're inside this meter. Get the battery thing out of there so we can look closer at this. So as you can see, there's plenty of capacitors in there. They have a massive chip here, and some smaller chips in here, and some resistors. Here's another board mounted here, and this other board's for the little switch on the front. Here's the other side of it. A little speaker in there for the continuity beep. There's some resistors under there, and the test points for the capacitor. We got all these nuts and screws undone, so let's see if we can remove this board here. And here's the other side of that board, and as you can see, there might be our real problem, because look how burnt up it is right here. You have two burnt up components here, look like two resistors that burn up. So there's the voltage meter, and here's the